Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to use some smart gestures to control the storyboard in Tripetto to build your forms. To show you this, we already prepared a simple form in the builder. So first let's see how you can drag and drop things to arrange questions and flows in your form. Essentially any element can be moved to another position by unlocking and then moving it. Unlocking is done by clicking and then holding for a brief moment. Unlocked things can be moved to any desired position. Releasing the hold will drop whatever you're moving right into the nearest available spot. And the storyboard will show you where that is while you're moving things around. You can drag and drop single question blocks, but also whole clusters, and even branches with their substructures. This makes it very easy to modify the whole structure of your form. Now let's have a look at how you can navigate the storyboard. As your form grows, you may want to zoom out to oversee its whole structure, or zoom in to go to a specific part of your form. To do that, you can use the zoom bar at the bottom right corner. But we've also built in some zooming shortcuts, like double-clicking the storyboard to quickly zoom into a particular part. Now if you are zoomed into a specific area, and you want to follow the flow of your form, you can easily pan the storyboard. By grabbing and immediately dragging the canvas of the storyboard, you can move around the whole board, and quickly navigate to a certain point in your form structure. And that's how you control the storyboard in Tripetto. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.